Sudoku friends, welcome. In the evening, I've mentioned earlier in today's newspaper of Monday, March the 27th, 2023, we have only one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. There's no additional, no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve an old puzzle. The puzzle page of Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. We have here two puzzles, the binary 10 by 10 and the medium, no, not the medium, 3 stars Sudoku with 25 printed digits, but also an additional with extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars here on Saturday, additional March the 4th, and we have here the tectonic. So I will do tonight 5 extra puzzles. Wow, 5, yeah, of the Saturday edition. Let me start with the first one. The first one is a not 4 stars Sudoku, it's a 3 stars because it has 25 printed digits, 25 printed digits, and this one has well, the tripod is not good anymore. Need to buy a new one. Well, come on. This one has 25 printed digits, and this will be number 6181. All right. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The printed digits, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, well, it has 25, it's indicated with 4 stars. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We'll see if this really is a 3 stars puzzle. All right, so let's get started. We have one in this row, the one in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in this column, no one there, one should be there. Let me check. We have 3 ones. Scan the puzzle. We have here 3 2s, 1 3, 3 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7, 3 7s, 4 8s. So the 8s are in majority, and 2 9s. Should be starting with 8. All right. Okay. But can I start with 8? No. Not quite. Well. Alright. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7. Should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. We see another 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Well, 2 2 2. 2 2 2. 2 2. Well, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this row. So no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 and 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and 5 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. No. 1. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this row, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in the middle column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So the 5, the 6 and the 9. 5, 6, 9. Alright. Here we have 3, 4, and 7. 3, 4, 7. I'm 5, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in the last row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3, 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. Alright, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Alright. Then 3, 3. 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. 7 should be here. Oh, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here's 7. And in this middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 and a 9 are left. 5. Yeah. Need a 7 here. 7 there. Need a 4 here also, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column and a 4 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. Yeah. 3, 3. Come on. 7 in first row. 7 in second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 in this third row should be there. Then. 6, 6. 6, okay. Alright. 2, 2, 2. 2. Well. 3, 3. 3, 2, 6, and then 9. Need a 9 here. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. And look, we have a 3 here, 3 there. That means in the first row, we need a 3. Here can be 3 because we've, overlook this. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 here in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So this box can be a 3 because we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. This box can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. This box can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Same for here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in the third row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row will be 3 in the second row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 here in this column, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. What a flow. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I will do the thing so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, March the 4th. Until then, bye-bye for now.